Looking for great laptop backpack? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best offers you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Great Business Laptop Backpack, Water Resistant, Anti-Theft College Backpack with USB charging port and lock. 15.6-inch computer backpacks, for women men. Casual hiking travel day pack, by Tzowla. Number 2, with fixed password lock and durable metal zippers. It is safe guaranteed for protecting your valuable items inside. No need to worry theft easily opening your backpack when you are traveling or lining up. Another great product by Tzowla. Number 3, high-quality water-resistant polyester fabric material and practical luggage strap design and comfortable wide and padded shoulder strap and built-in key ring design, fits for daily use at school, college, business and travel, suitable for women, men and students. For more great laptop backpacks ideas, updates, and real-time offers, just click the links below.